And inside of this box, we have the brand new 15-inch MacBook Air, and I could not be more excited. And I definitely did not expect to be unboxing something this soon after the event. So let's get into it. That's right, our darling baby 13-inch MacBook Air now has a big brother or sister. The 15-inch MacBook Air comes stock with the M2 chip, an upgraded speaker system, 18-hour battery life, while retaining the silent fanless system of its smaller counterpart. I got the Starlight one! It's always a mystery of what color are you gonna get for your review version. Now in the 13-inch for the previous one, I got the new midnight color, and this is the Starlight. I did get to see all 4 colors at WWDC, and not gonna lie, the Starlight is absolutely beautiful. I kinda wish that the MacBook Pros came in this color because I 100% would have definitely got the Starlight MacBook Pro.